We all know instant noodles. They're quick, they're tasty, and they've saved many a late-night craving. Whether you're a student pulling an all-nighter, a busy professional needing a quick meal, or just someone who loves the convenience, instant noodles have become a staple in many households around the world. But have you ever stopped to wonder where these magical noodles came from? How did they become such an integral part of our culinary landscape? Buckle up, food lovers, because the story of instant ramen is a fascinating journey through history, innovation, and a whole lot of slurping. It's a tale that spans decades and continents, involving war, hardship, and the relentless pursuit of a dream. Our story begins in post-war Japan, 1945. The country was in ruins, struggling to recover from the devastation of World War II. Cities were destroyed, and the economy was in shambles. The nation was struggling to rebuild, and food was scarce. People were lining up for hours just to get a small portion of food. Hunger and malnutrition were rampant, and the government was desperate for a solution to feed its people. Enter Momofuku Ando, a Taiwanese-Japanese inventor with a big heart and an even bigger vision. Ando was deeply moved by the plight of his fellow citizens and was determined to find a way to provide them with a reliable source of food. Ando believed everyone deserved access to delicious, convenient food, no matter their circumstances. He envisioned a world where no one would go hungry and everyone could enjoy a warm, satisfying meal. Ando toiled tirelessly in his backyard workshop, determined to create a solution to Japan's food shortage. He experimented with different methods of preserving noodles, trying to find a way to make them last longer and cook faster. After countless experiments, he finally struck gold in 1958 with the invention of chicken ramen, the world's first instant noodle. This revolutionary product was not only easy to prepare, but also delicious and affordable. These pre-seasoned noodles could be cooked simply by adding hot water, offering a quick, affordable, and surprisingly tasty meal. And thus, a culinary revolution was born, changing the way people ate and thought about food forever. Chicken ramen was an instant hit in Japan. When Momofuku Ando invented instant ramen in 1958, he couldn't have imagined the cultural phenomenon it would become. The simplicity of adding hot water to dried noodles and having a meal ready in minutes was revolutionary. People embraced this new food that was both convenient and comforting. It quickly became a household staple, especially for busy families and individuals looking for a quick meal. The affordability and ease of preparation made it accessible to everyone. The noodles were a symbol of hope and resilience during a time of great need. In post-war Japan, food shortages were common, and instant ramen provided a reliable source of sustenance. It was more than just a meal. It was a beacon of recovery and progress. Word spread quickly, and soon, Ando's company, Nissin, couldn't keep up with the demand. Factories worked around the clock to produce enough instant ramen to meet the growing appetite of the nation. The success of Nissin paved the way for other companies to enter the market. As Japan's economy boomed, so did the popularity of instant ramen. It became a symbol of modernity and convenience, fitting perfectly into the fast-paced lifestyle of urban Japan. Ramen shops and stalls became ubiquitous, and instant ramen was a common sight in homes and offices. It became a staple food for students, office workers, and families on the go. The versatility of instant ramen meant it could be enjoyed in various settings, from a quick lunch at the office to a late-night snack in a dorm room. Its popularity transcended age and social status. New flavors were introduced, and instant ramen shed its image as a simple meal for the poor. Companies began to innovate, offering a wide range of flavors and styles to cater to diverse tastes. From spicy to savory, there was a ramen flavor for everyone. It had become a beloved national dish enjoyed by people from all walks of life. Instant ramen's journey from a humble invention to a cultural icon is a testament to its enduring appeal and versatility. Today, it continues to be a favorite comfort food in Japan and around the world. It wasn't long before instant ramen hopped on a plane and began its global conquest. In the 1960s and 70s, it landed on supermarket shelves around the world, captivating taste buds with its unique flavors and satisfying texture. From bustling cities to remote villages, instant noodles became a global phenomenon. Each country embraced instant ramen in its own way. People experimented with local flavors and ingredients, creating unique variations that reflected their culinary traditions. From spicy kimchi ramen in Korea to creamy coconut curry noodles in Thailand, instant ramen became a blank canvas for culinary creativity. Have you ever wondered how those springy noodles get made? The process of making instant ramen is a marvel of food technology. It all starts with a simple dough made from wheat flour, water, and a special ingredient called kansui. Kansui is an alkaline mineral water that gives ramen noodles their signature springy texture. This dough is kneaded, rolled out, and cut into thin strands. The noodles are then steamed, seasoned, and flash fried in oil. This flash frying process dehydrates the noodles, giving them their long shelf life. Finally, the noodles are packaged, ready to be shipped to hungry consumers around the world. Section 5. Beyond the brick: innovation in flavor and format. The world of instant ramen is constantly evolving. Gone are the days of just chicken and beef flavors. Today you can find instant ramen in every flavor imaginable, from spicy Sichuan hot pot to creamy carbonara. Manufacturers are experimenting with new ingredients, flavors, and formats to keep our taste buds guessing. Remember the humble brick of instant noodles? Well, it's gotten a serious upgrade. We now have cup noodles for ultimate convenience, gourmet ramen kits with premium ingredients, and even air-fried noodles that are crispier and lower in fat. Section 6. Noodles. Get a makeover, healthier, and more sustainable choices. As much as we love instant ramen, it's no secret that it's not the healthiest food choice. But that's all changing. Food companies are now focusing on creating healthier and more sustainable options. We're seeing noodles made with whole grains, less sodium, and more vegetables. Sustainability is also becoming increasingly important in the instant noodle industry. Companies are working on reducing their environmental impact by using eco-friendly packaging and sourcing ingredients responsibly. Section 7. A cultural icon. Ramen in movies, music, and more. Instant ramen has transcended its status as a simple food and become a cultural icon. It's featured in movies, TV shows, songs, and even art installations. Remember the scene in the movie Parasite with the ramdon dish? That's just one example of how instant ramen has infiltrated popular culture. From college dorm rooms to Michelin-starred restaurants, instant ramen has found its way into every corner of society. It's a food that evokes nostalgia, comfort, and a sense of shared experience. Section 8. The future is steaming. What's next for instant noodles? So, what does the future hold for our beloved instant noodles? As we look ahead, it's clear that the journey of instant noodles is far from over. From their humble beginnings as a quick and easy meal solution, they have evolved into a global phenomenon, loved by millions. One thing's for sure, innovation won't stop. Food scientists and chefs are constantly experimenting with new flavors and textures, pushing the boundaries of what instant noodles can be. Imagine noodles that change color when cooked, or have unique textures that enhance the eating experience. We can expect even more exciting flavors, healthier ingredients, and sustainable practices. With the growing demand for health-conscious options, we might see noodles made from alternative grains, packed with superfoods, or even fortified with vitamins and minerals. And let's not forget the push towards eco-friendly packaging, reducing our environmental footprint. Perhaps we'll even see personalized ramen subscriptions tailored to our individual tastes. Imagine receiving a box of noodles curated just for you, based on your flavor preferences and dietary needs. This could revolutionize the way we enjoy instant noodles, making each meal a unique experience. Whatever the future holds, one thing remains certain. Instant ramen is here to stay. Its versatility and convenience make it a staple in households around the world. Whether it's a quick lunch, a midnight snack, or a gourmet creation, instant noodles have a place in our hearts and kitchens. It's a testament to human ingenuity, the ability to transform a simple idea into a culinary marvel that transcends cultures and generations. From the first packet of instant noodles to the gourmet ramen bowls of today, the journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. Our love for delicious food and the endless possibilities that come with it. Instant noodles have shown us that convenience doesn't have to come at the cost of flavor or quality. They have become a canvas for culinary creativity, inspiring chefs and home cooks alike, and the power of a good bowl of noodles to bring people together. Whether it's sharing a meal with friends, enjoying a family dinner, or simply savoring a moment of solitude, instant noodles have a unique way of connecting us. So next time you slurp down a bowl of ramen, take a moment to appreciate the rich history and culinary innovation behind this global culinary icon. Each bite is a celebration of creativity, tradition, and the simple joy of a delicious meal. The future of instant noodles is bright, and we can't wait to see where this journey takes us next. Here's to many more bowls of delicious, innovative, and heartwarming noodles.